Good morning, students. I hope you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am well too. You are welcome in my class. I am Muhammad Anikul Alam, Assistant Teacher of Munnamala Girls High School, Tanur Rajshahi. Class 10, Subject English Second Paper, Chapter 5, Lesson 3. We can see in the picture am, is, are, was, were, come, came, do, does, did, put, have, has, had, make, made, think, thought, live, left, get, got, take, took, tell, told, know, knew, go, went, say, said, so, showed, see, saw. All are verbs we can see. Now we will discuss about classification of verbs. After this class, students will learn verb classification. Verb. At first, we can see that verbs are mainly two kinds: finite, non-finite. ফাইনাইট ভার্ব আবার দুই প্রকার, প্রিন্সিপাল ভার্ব এবং অক্সিলারি ভার্ব। প্রিন্সিপাল ভার্ব দুই প্রকার, ট্রানজিটিভ ভার্ব, ইনট্রানজিটিভ ভার্ব। অক্সিলারি ভার্ব আবার দুই প্রকার, প্রাইমারি অক্সিলারি অ্যান্ড মোডাল অক্সিলারি। নন-ফিনাইট ভার্ব, ইনফিনিটিভ, পার্টিসিপল, জিরান্ড। পার্টিসিপল তিন প্রকার, প্রেজেন্ট পার্টিসিপল, past participle এবং perfect participle. Classifications of verb we are discussing. Classification of verbs: principal or lexical verb. Which verbs are used independently without the help of other verbs are called principal or main verb. Example: he is a singer, she does her job. Principal verbs are of two types depending on this object they take. Transitive verb. Transitive verb is an action verb that requires one or more objects which receive the action of the verb in the sentence. Examples: she reads the book. Verb with the object, the book. Intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is an action verb that requires no direct object or in the sentence. Example: she reads. No object in the sentence. We are discussing about verbs. Auxiliary or helping verb. He is singing a song. Auxiliary verbs are of two types: primary or tense auxiliaries, such as be, am, is, are, was, were, been, being, have, has, had, having, do, does, did, and did. Example: I am doing the job. Present continuous tense. Ryan was sleeping that moment. Past continuous tense. Modal auxiliaries such as can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, need, dare, used to, ought to, etc. Modals only take the base form of the verbs after them. Example: shall we start the game? Asking the question, that interrogative sentence, you should read the book attentively. Assertive sentence. Finite and non-finite verbs. Finite verb. A verb which changes its forms according to the number, person or tense and must has subject is called finite verb. Example, I saw her crying. He makes me proud. Non-finite verb. A non-finite verb is a form of verb that is not limited by person, number or tense, is a sentence and cannot act as main verb. There are three kinds of non-finite verbs: infinitive, gerund and participle. We can bear in mind that we are discussing about verbs. Infinitive verb. Infinitive verb is a non-finite verb that is made up of two plus base form of verb. Example, he likes to play. Examples, make her stand, gerund. Example, I saw her crying. Swimming is good for health. Participles. A participle is verbal but works as an adjective. Participle can be following types. Present participle. Present participle is made by adding ing to the base form. Example, a swimming snake bit him in the leg. What is verb? We can ask question. What are the classification of verb? Give some examples of principal verb, auxiliary verb, infinitive verb, participle and gerund. Write some sentences with gerund, modal, auxiliaries and primary auxiliaries. Find out verbs name. They have made many problems. Rifat wants a pen from Ryan. I walked to the park today. Does he make it? I used to have tea in the evening. The honey tastes sweet. Honey is sweet to taste. You need not leave the place. Seeing is believing. Don't get into a running bus. It is said by them. Now, homework. Preparing a chart on classification of verbs along with few examples and showing in the next class. Thank you. See you again day after tomorrow. You are welcome.